AI detects lies in court recordings, lawyer secret. The courtroom has long been a stage for a very human drama. It is a theater of persuasion where truth is not merely spoken, but performed. For centuries, the primary tools for unmasking deception have been the cross-examining glare of a seasoned attorney, the inconsistent testimony, and the elusive gut feeling. But a new, unblinking, and terrifyingly accurate actor is waiting in the wings, and it is poised to rewrite the script of justice itself. The open secret sweeping through high-powered law firms and cutting-edge legal tech companies is that artificial intelligence is now capable of detecting lies in court recordings, and it does so not by listening to what people say, but by decoding how they say it. The days of a lawyer relying solely on a well-chewed pencil and a yellow legal pad to spot an inconsistency are, if not over, then certainly numbered. The new arsenal consists of algorithms and neural networks trained on thousands of hours of human speech. This AI doesn't get tired, doesn't get swayed by a compelling sob story, and doesn't need a coffee break right when a key witness takes the stand. Its analysis is a multi-layered symphony of data processing that would make even the most meticulous attorney's head spin. First, it attacks the nearly imperceptible tremors in the human voice. While a witness might maintain perfect eye contact and a steady posture, their vocal cords can betray them in ways the conscious mind cannot control. The AI scans for micro-tremors, those minute, involuntary vibrations in the voice that spike under stress. It analyzes jitter, variations in pitch, and shimmer, variations in amplitude, metrics that become erratic when the brain is working overtime to fabricate a narrative rather than recall one. A simple, truthful yes is a smooth, coherent sound wave. A deceptive yes can look like the seismograph reading of a minor earthquake, a jagged, chaotic mess to the AI's sensors. Then comes the pacing. Truthful recall often has a natural, if sometimes hesitant, rhythm. The brain accesses a memory, and the speech follows. Fabrication, however, requires cognitive load. The AI flags speech that is unusually slow and deliberate, the sound of a mind carefully constructing a sentence to avoid traps, or conversely, speech that is abnormally rapid, as if the speaker is trying to rush past a falsehood before their own brain can catch them. The pauses are also telling. A pause to remember is often filled with ums and ahs. A pause to invent is often a stark, dead silence, a void where the truth should be. The comical aspect, the one that brings a wry smile to the tech-savvy lawyer's face, is the AI's ability to detect what can only be called overacting. The system is trained on baseline human behavior. When a witness, particularly a bad liar, suddenly becomes a Shakespearean actor, emphasizing their points with unnatural gravitas, injecting a forced quiver into their voice for sympathy, or leaning into a performative and repeated, "I swear to tell the truth," the AI's algorithms light up like a pinball machine. It's the vocal equivalent of a mustache-twirling villain declaring his innocence just a little too loudly. The machine recognizes this performative divergence from a neutral baseline as a huge red flag. In essence, the worse the performance, the easier it is for the AI to detect. One can imagine a future where the most effective liars will be those who could deliver their falsehoods with the bland, monotonous tone of a weather report, a truly absurd arms race between human deception and machine learning. Of course, this is not a magic truthometer. This is the crucial part of the lawyer's secret. The AI does not declare liar in a robotic voice, providing a definitive verdict. Instead, it provides a probability score, a confidence percentage, highlighting specific segments of testimony for a human lawyer to then investigate further. It is the ultimate tip sheet, a hyper-intelligent bloodhound that sniffs the air and points its digital nose in the direction of the strongest scent. The attorney's job evolved from hunter to strategist. The AI says there's something fishy about the witness's alibi at 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 23 seconds in the recording. Listen to the vocal stress when he describes the blue car. The lawyer then takes that clue and constructs a traditional cross-examination to exploit that weakness, armed with insider knowledge that their opponent is utterly unaware of. The implications are staggering, and the ethical debates are already raging. Is this a violation of privacy, a form of digital mind reading? Will it create a two-tiered justice system where only the wealthy can afford cases backed by million-dollar AI analysis? Can the system be biased by the data it was trained on? These are profound questions without easy answers. Yet, for now, the genie is out of the bottle. The sacred dance of the courtroom, once a duel of human wits, now has a silent, digital partner. It is a partner that doesn't appreciate dramatics, is immune to charm, and finds a poorly delivered lie to be, frankly, a bit amateur. The lawyer's secret is no longer just about knowing the law. It's about knowing how to collaborate with a machine that can hear the ghost of a lie hiding in a human voice. The pursuit of truth just got a major software update, and the legal world will never be the same. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.